Illinois Lumber Liquidators, Incorporation Installation Provider Bond. What is Illinois Lumber Liquidators, Incorporation Installation Provider Bond? The Illinois Lumber Liquidators, Incorporation Installation Provider Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors or installation providers working with lumber liquidators in the state of Illinois. It guarantees that the installer will perform their work according to contractual and legal standards, protecting customers from financial loss due to poor workmanship or violations. Essentially, it serves as a financial assurance that the provider will complete installation projects ethically and professionally. Why is Illinois Lumber Liquidators Incorporation Installation Provider Bond required? This bond is required to ensure that all installation providers affiliated with Lumber Liquidators comply with Illinois consumer protection laws and company quality standards. It safeguards homeowners and clients from fraudulent practices, defective installations, or contract breaches. By requiring this bond, Lumber Liquidators and the state of Illinois promote accountability and consumer confidence in flooring and installation services. How Illinois Lumber Liquidators Incorporation Installation Provider Bond work. When a customer files a valid claim due to substandard work or contract violations, the surety company compensates the customer up to the bond amount. The bonded installation provider must then reimburse the surety for any payout made on their behalf. This process ensures that consumers receive financial protection while holding installers responsible for maintaining professional and ethical standards. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.